Welcome to RichPete's Screen-Free Learning Mini-Course. In this series, you'll discover how to use simple print-and-play games to teach children important skills like counting, colours, maths, patience, teamwork, and problem-solving. These games are easy to download, print, cut out, and play at home, in school, or during family time. One of the best things about print-and-play games is that you can start quickly. Once you download the game, you can print it at home or at a local print shop. Here is a simple setup process. Step 1. Download your game files from www.richpete.com. Step 2. Print the game sheets. For best results, use good quality paper or light cardstock. Cardstock makes the pieces stronger and easier for children to handle. Step 3. Cut out the cards, tokens, boards, or game pieces. Use child-safe scissors if children are helping. For younger children, an adult should handle the cutting. Step 4. Laminate the pieces if you want them to last longer. Laminating is especially useful for classrooms, homeschool groups, daycare centres, or families who want to reuse the games many times. Step 5. Store each game in a labelled envelope, folder, plastic pouch, or small box. Keep the dice, tokens, and instruction sheet together so that the game is ready whenever you need it. You can also create a learning game box. Inside the box, keep your printed games, dice, tokens, pencils, counters, and a small timer. This makes it easy to start a game at any time. Here are a few tips. Print in colour for the best visual experience. Laminate cards before cutting if you want cleaner edges. Use small containers for tokens and dice. Keep each game's instructions with the game pieces. Create a weekly game schedule so your child can practice different skills. For example, Monday can be colour recognition. Tuesday can be counting. Wednesday can be money maths. Thursday can be memory and matching. Friday can be family game night. With RichPete's print and play games, you do not need to wait for shipping. You can download, print, and start playing. And build your own screen-free learning game box today. Visit www.richpete.com and download your print and play games. That is the power of simple, screen-free learning.